Dear friends, with us Executive Director of Central Asia Regional Environmental Center, Mr. Zafar Mahmudov. Welcome to Ashgabat. You just arrived from Turkmenistan, from the first Caspian Economic Forum, which was held in Avaza. And I know that you had a speech in one of the session of the session in the frame of this forum, which called green economy. And please share with us what your speech was about and what is your plans in the future work in terms of this forum.
First of all, it was a very interesting forum in terms of merging the questions on environment protection and greening the economic approaches in the Caspian region. So this was an initiative of the President of Turkmenistan to bring in the 5 countries of the Caspian Sea, and the 2 of which, Turkmenistan and Kazakhstan, are the countries which are open to the Caspian Sea. And since the Regional Environmental Center for Central Asia works in these 2 countries, and the main issues we are tapping in the Regional Environmental Center are the natural resource management, and we were also quite happy to see that this forum, the Economic Forum, also opened up perspectives for developing the green economy. In my speech in the 5th thematic session on green economy, I have provided the perspectives of using the platforms that are under use or that are currently provided for the 5 Central Asian countries, to use the conferences like Central Asian Environmental Conference, which was started 2 years ago in Ashgabat. And then it was followed last year in Tashkent in June last year. And hopefully we will continue holding up these conferences in other 5 countries of Central Asia. What was interesting is one of the sessions of the environmental forums that was opened in Ashgabat was renewable energy and green economy.
Mr. Mahmudov, the next forum, second Caspian Economic Forum, will be implemented in Astrakhan next year. And do you have plans to visit on this quite big forum?
Well, that's definitely of our interest to continue following up on the issue of green economy in the region. However, Russia is not part of the Regional Environmental Center. So we will see the opportunities of being involved there. We will see the opportunities on following up the issue on sustainable resource management, on green economy, and we will try to continue working with the countries of the region by providing them support in this thematic area.
Just briefly, if you will just share your emotions about this forum, about hospitality of Turkmen people, about what did you get for your organization, let's say so.
As it usually happens, the hospitality was in a very high level. The place that was organized, Avaza, is an amazing place to be. I have been here once before last year. I did enjoy it last year. I did enjoy it this year as well. And I believe all the participants of the forum also did enjoy being in Avaza. The weather was perfect. It wasn't too hot, as it usually happens in Avaza, and it wasn't too cold. It was just perfect, and everybody did enjoy the place, the venue, the wonderful Caspian beach. It was amazing.
I fully agree with you. From me personally, and on behalf of our web portal in Ashgabat, I wish you to have a nice time in Turkmenistan and wish you more success in your future work. Thank you so much.
you.
Thank you.